Hello and welcome to Annihilation Lab. My name's Ben, and today we're going to be having a bit of fun with this Nespresso machine. Ooh, freshly picked out of a dumpster. Yeah, of course I'm not going to use a brand new one for this. Jeez. Yeah. So ultimately, what I want to kind of do is thermite it. But before we do that, I want to put it up against just a couple other things. The cube there. And this little bit here, I just want to bake that with an arrow. I don't know why, but I really want to do it. So I'm gonna start with that, smash it with the cube, and then fill it with thermite. Always gonna be fun. Let's do it. Did not expect it to shatter like that. Why are we all black and white? That was interesting. I don't know why it was like that, but whatever. Is what it is. That's pretty cool. It's time to hit it with a cube. See how tough it is. Right, as I said, up next is the heavy cube, weighing in at 31.5 kilograms, and I'm just gonna, well, chuck it down on the side of it, see what happens. Right, here we go. Looks like you got it good. Oh yeah. That's a bit. Yeah, you know what? Definitely pieces come off. Come on. Maybe hit it again. Towards the other side this time. That almost took out the GoPro. It did bend the stand a bit, but it still works, I think. I just can't close it. Well, see what's left of this thing then. Huh. an awful lot. But I can still thermite that. I did expect it to be a little more intact. Time for the finale. There's the thermite. Just whacked it on top. Mixed up about just over 500 grams. Most of it's on top, and some of it is in there. Yeah, hopefully it's enough to do some serious damage to that, not me or anything else, just that, only that. Okay, let's do it. Oh, it's still warm. It's kind of just fused it together now. Don't know if it got the thermite on the inside. I can get that open. Right, pried it open, and yeah, it did get the thermite on the inside. There's metal everywhere. There. Nope. It don't work. I have to get a new one then. Honestly. Who wants whatever this thing is called, an Nespresso machine, if it can't withstand the heat? Terrible, absolutely terrible. Going to get my lowest rating ever. 8 out of 10. Well, that's it. I don't think it'd be very kind to do any more damage to this thing. Well, you probably couldn't really do much more damage to the thing. It's just a mess. Oh, that's painful to my ears. So that's it for this episode of Annihilation Lab. I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.